Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix error 3000 Twitch Firefox. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is you could just simply go for the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to your settings. Here on the settings guys, you could just simply search for performance. So here, just make sure to select use hardware acceleration when available, and mostly that can fix the issue. And now if it doesn't, you could just simply go back over here and select the other one, recommended performance settings. Now if that doesn't work still guys, what you could try to do is make sure you are running the latest version of the Firefox, as you can see over here. So just select check for updates, and of course when there is any update, you should be able to have it in here and you should be able to download it up. And now guys, sometimes also if you have an extensions on you, make sure to disable some of them because sometimes an extension might be causing the issue. So go for the extensions icon over here at the top right, go for manage extensions, and just simply turn off any extensions that you have that might cause some issue. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.